How to make a beat-selling website for free with Wix. So hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and for today I will teach you how to create your own beat-selling website for free using Wix. So with no further ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is to go to your browser and search wix.com, and basically Wix will come out and it will look like this. It will ask you to log in if you have an account. Now if you are new to Wix, then you could easily sign up. You could sign up through Facebook or your Google and even your Apple. Now if you are done signing up, this is how your Wix homepage or your dashboard will look like. So before we really dive into the tutorial, I'm just going to give you a little background on what is Wix. So Wix is a free user-friendly website building platform and has an intuitive technology and a powerful built-in features that gives you, the user, the freedom to design professional website with ease that look amazing on any device. It will look tech savvy even though you did not hire someone professional in creating your website. Now let us get back into this. So what you want to do is to create a new site. So here on the right corner, you will see like your settings where you could access your account settings, your domains, business email, vouchers, so on and so forth. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you will see here, create a new site. So click on create new site. Now it will lead you to another tab. And here you will see this, what kind of website are you creating? So basically, they are going to ask you a few questions to filter out what type of website or business you want to create. So for now, let's want some producer. And as you can see here, going to make a beat selling website, so it must be related to music. So let's say this one, music producer, and then click on next. Now they will ask you another question to help you filter out your templates for you. They would ask what do you want to add to your website, and they have these recommendations for you. So let's say you want your website to have a chat so that you could chat with your site visitors from desktop or mobile. But if you do not like this, you could just uncheck it. And here, let's say you have a video for your music, you could also add that. And then, for example, you're selling albums, you could sell that. And here are the more recommendations for you. As you can see, you could add bookings for your website. Let's say to let your clients schedule appointments on your site, or create events and sell tickets for your music, or you could actually write a post. And then if you're selling for example, like Spotify, your customers need to subscribe to your, let's say, music, so you have a pricing plan and so on and so forth. But now we would want to have a full control over our website. So let's not just check anything here and just click next. Here, if you want to have a complete control over your site, then I recommend you to choose this one. So all you have to do is to click on edit the template here and wait for it to load. And here you will see different template. Now I highly recommend you to really take your time on choosing your templates here, because there are a lot of pages that offers different templates. If you click the third page, and here you will see many more templates. Now let's say I want to choose this one. And then if you want to view the full template for this, just click on view. And this is how the website will look like. Now if you scroll further more here, you will see up until here. And if you click on coming soon, it will lead you here. Now let's say I want to use this one, so all you have to do is to click on edit this site on the upper right corner and just wait for it to load. Now here it's already done loading, so you will see here the home page. So you could actually switch page for your stream by, your catalog, and so on and so forth about us down to contact. Now, this is how your website will look like on desktop setting. And beside that, you could switch it to mobile settings. Now, now we're just gonna add, so it will look like this in mobile settings. But we are just gonna continue editing through desktop. So let's go back to desktop. And here you will see the elements, the section, the menu pages, si- site design, add applications, media, start blogging, and so on and so forth, and your different layers. Now, what you want to do here is, for example, this one. This is where your logo will be. Now, if you have a logo, all you have to do is to click on this, and under that you will see change image. So just click on change image and put your logo. Now here, on the other hand, you'll see this change strip background. Just click on that. Let's say you want to go, if you have a video for that. One of the best features using Wix is it also provides a media for you. And here you will see you could upload your media and filter by videos here. Let's click videos and let's just say music. Now it will search on videos under music. So let's say I want to use this one for hip hop concert. And then if you're done clicking it, you could change it. Now, if you're done setting up your background, all you have to do is, for example, you want to change this text. So just double click this text and you could input or write the text that you want to put. So let's say upbeat music, and you could change its themes. So there are a lot of themes here. Just go over that. Let's say I want to use the heading 5, and then you could change the font size here. Let's say let's just use 87, and you could just drag this here. So all you have to do is to just drag, drop, click, and then delete or erase. So let's say upbeat music, and then you input what music do you cater and when did you start, and so on and so forth. You could bold it, you could italize it or underline it, and even change the color. You could also add effects on it. So basically you could play around it and you will have your website. Here you will see your let's chat. So if you have a visitor here, so they could just communicate you through clicking this let's chat. So you could open the inbox. So let's say you are done setting up your website. So let's just preview this to see what is the final look for your website. So it will look like this. Now you have your different albums. For example, these are your albums, and so on and so forth. And to your visitors, they could put their email here and then subscribe to you. Now let's say let's publish this. And here, this is your site. So let's say view site here. And if you actually search this one, say this, it will directly lead you here. And now you have your own website. And that is how you make a beat selling website for free with Wix. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated. Leave a comment below for the best tips and tricks that I have taught you in this video. And I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.